In this video I'm going to show you how to upgrade your Microsoft Surface Pro 6 to Windows 11. Firstly, Windows 11 has some pretty steep requirements compared with Windows 10. You need things like a fairly recent CPU and a TPM 2.0 module, also known as Trusted Platform Module, which is kind of a security chip that allows other security functions to work. I'm not going to go into too much detail on all these requirements. Thankfully, if you have one of these tablets, the chances are you're good to go, as they check all the boxes for Windows 11. You can of course double check this by running the Windows PC Health Check app, which I will link in the description. You can update to Windows 11 via Windows Update, however I've found the steps to be unreliable and inconsistent, so we'll use the install tool available from the Microsoft website, which I'll also link in the description. So here's my Surface Pro 6. Here's the CPU, which is new enough to run Windows 11, and here's the evidence that we have a recent enough TPM, which is also compatible with Windows 11. However, to be 100% sure this is compatible, here is the Windows PC Health Check app confirming I've got Windows 11 compatibility with this tablet. Now we know our device is compatible, we need to download the Microsoft Windows 11 Installation Assistant. Head over to the Microsoft website to download the tool and run it. Follow the instructions in the wizard to upgrade and accept the license agreement. It will then begin to download the setup files. This can take a long time, so I'm going to stop recording and come back. In fact, most of the steps can take a long time, so make sure you do this when you've got plenty of time for it to complete and not when you want to be using the tablet. Once it has finished downloading, it will start the installation automatically. I will stop recording and come back. Now the installation has completed, the setup will give you some warning before it restarts to complete the upgrade. You can click the Restart Now button, which I have done. Note, your computer will restart several times whilst the setup continues. Eventually, you'll be greeted with the Windows 11 First Start screen. Follow any setup instructions and then you can log on to your computer. And ta-da! You have Windows 11 running on your Microsoft Surface Pro 6. Isn't that nice?